Hi everybody, it's Miss Pryor and we're going to do our next part of the Read Write Ink. So let's start. Remember, you need a pencil and a piece of paper before you start, and you can pause. You need to pause when we're doing our spellings and when we're doing a hold a sentence. Okay, just to remind you of that. We're going to start by doing our speedy sounds. Are you ready? Ng, v, g, nk, f, k, I, ch, sh. Brilliant, well done. Now the special friend that I'm going to introduce to you today is the E sound. E, 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 E. And it says, what can you see? E, what can you see? Sleep, sleep. Green, green. Three, the number 3. Going to go on to our nonsense words now. Zeep, zeep. What a lot of nonsense. Freep, freep. What a lot of nonsense. Our red words for today are you and what. Let's go over those again. You, what. Now remember, with our reading, I will sound the word out. When I move it forward, you read the word. G-r-a-n. D-o-g. K-an. Brilliant. Okay. Now with our spelling, we're going to have a look at one of the words that we had the special friend for yesterday. And the special friend was A. We're going to write the word may. M-A, may. Let's pinch our fingers. M-A, may. Write it down. Remember to underline your special friends. M-A, may. Give yourself a tick for the M and a tick for the A. Well done. We're going to go on to our E words now. Green, green. Let's do our threading for green. Green, green. Pinch those fingers. Green, green. Write it down. Don't forget to underline your special friend. Green, green. Give yourself a tick for the G, tick for the tick for the E, tick for the N. Green. Well done. The next word is 3. 3. Let's pinch those fingers. 3. And don't forget to underline those special friends. E3. Give yourself a tick for the T, tick for the tick for the E. Well done with that one. Last one. Sleep. 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 Let's pinch those fingers. Sleep. Sleep. Write it down. Don't forget to underline those special friends. Sleep. sleep. Give yourself a tick for the S, tick for the L, tick for the E, tick for the P. Okay, the next part of our lesson is hold a sentence. Okay, the first sentence is, I can see the green shed. I can see the green shed. Now remember, we need capital letters, clear finger spaces, and a full stop at the end. I can see the green shed. Write it down. Don't forget to underline those special friends. Here we go. I've got my capital letter and my finger spaces. I can see the green shed, and I've got my full stop at the end of my sentence. If you've got that correct, give yourself a tick. If you've got any words that you haven't spelt correctly, write them above the word. Okay, last sentence. We're doing a fab job today. The dog will need to sleep. The dog will need to sleep. Remember, capital letters, finger spaces, and full stop. The dog will need to sleep. Remember to underline those special friends. Off you go. Okay, so I've got my capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. The dog will need to sleep. And I've got my full stop at the end. Give yourself a tick if you've got those all correct. If you haven't, just write it above the word. Brilliant. We've worked so hard today. And again, your homework is on the Google Drive on the school website. Have a look for the E sound. Okay. I think we could have some fireworks today. Are you ready? Shh, bang. Well done, everybody. Fab job.